The circuit diagram below shows a potential divider. So you have a potential divider here. The battery has negligible internal resistance. Voltmeter has infinite resistance. Okay. Explain how the voltmeter reading changes when the resistance of variable resistor is increased. If the resistance of the variable resistor is increased, okay. If that means if I increase the variable resistance, so what will happen to the voltmeter reading? Yeah, please explain. Then next is R2, resistance R2 is 570 ohm. Calculate the R1, the variable resistor, when the reading on the voltmeter is 4 volt. Okay, if you get 4 volt here, and this R2 is 570 ohm, and what is the R1 when the reading on the voltmeter? This is 4 volt. So please find R1. Alright, the first question. How the voltmeter reading changes when the resistance of the variable resistor increase. So that means if this resistance increase, what happened to the voltmeter reading? Yeah, of course this one will decrease. Yeah, this one will decrease. Voltage across R2 will decrease. So it's like that. When R1 increases, so voltage across R2 decreases. So voltmeter reading also decrease. Yeah, V2 decrease. So based on this formula lah, potential divider. When R1 increase, V1, the voltage across the variable resistor increase. So the total voltage is 12 volt plus equal to V1 plus V2. And since V1 already increased, so V2 will decrease. Okay, so the V2 voltage across the resistance 2 will decrease. That's the explanation lah. Next, about the B. Just now he asked the R2 is given as 570 ohm. Find the value of R1. Find value of R1 when voltmeter reading. Actually voltmeter reading is the V2. Yeah, voltmeter across R2 also. Equal to 4 volt. So how? Just use the potential divider equation. So V2 equal to R2. Remember. So when this is V2, then this one must be R2. Yeah. So V2 is 4 volt. R2 is 570. Okay, just substitute R2, and then V total is 12. So just cut off. Then you can get R1. So because the question asked for R1, so this is the answer lah.